Mommy, sister, with Papa, we'll go to the nursery and cut.
Welcome to this episode of Mommy See Star. Today we're going to the nursery so that we can grow our own food. It is very nice. Where'd he go? Here they are. Peppers. Different kinds, all different kinds of peppers. We're going to replant your garden because the seeds didn't come up. So let's look and see what plants we can pick out. There are tomatoes. These are all peppers. I love how big the vines are already. I think we'll get a melon vine. We do. Theirs are probably bigger. Look at the beautiful strawberries. We've grown a lot of strawberries this year. I love growing peppermint. Is this peppermint? Oh, mint chocolate. I might consider that one. Yummy tea. That would make good tea. That's what you were looking for, isn't it? Sure. Okay. If we got that one, that would be the only one we got. They look like they're gonna sing. Let's pick one more edible plant. One more edible plant that you will eat.
Bee!
We don't mind bees. Strawberries. We're not afraid of bees. I love how they have these pink flowers now. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. This is the native milkweed. This is the kind you actually do want to plant. This is good for the monarchs. Native milkweed. Not the tropical kind. This kind.
I can eat lettuce.
Yes? The Venus flytraps are usually up front. Alright, so we got 2 vines and the pumpkin, all of our pumpkins died this year of all the ones we grew from seeds, and he just told me inside that theirs didn't make it either. So this is already a big vine, so we have a chance. Let's go. Let me see your pen.
Mom,
Yeah.
can you take the door off?
Okay, all you have to do is take this and drop it in the hole. Can you do that? I have to move the whole thing. Oh, because of the bees. He's afraid of the bees drinking. Okay, I'll move it. Oops. What do you think? It's kind of laying on its side. Can you pick it up so it's straight? There you go, pick it up. Okay, now push the dirt around it. I don't even like it. Push the dirt around it. Good job. Now we're going to have a chance at some pumpkins this year still. Good job, bud. That was fun.